Hello and welcome. So in this video I'll be sharing with you some of the meditation experiences you might be having since you have just begun to meditate. So this meditation is for the beginners who have just started to meditate. So stick around and watch till the end so that you can get your doubts clarified. I will be also answering one of the main questions is the often asked question is that why do I feel physical sensations in my body? Sensations like tingling, twitching, pulsating, or a little bit of tightness or pain while I am meditating. So this video is about the experiences while you are meditating. So let's get started. So there are two things that I'll be covering in this video as an experience. There are many other things, but I'll be covering just the two things. The first thing that will happen is that your mind will start wandering. So this is normal, and I just want to confirm and affirm that this is a normal thing that will happen when you start meditation. And it's just because you haven't tamed your mind, and it's like it keeps on wandering, it keeps on oscillating from the past to the present, and then the future, and then back to the past. So this is an experience that is very natural, and it's the nature of the mind. So do not resist it, or do not think that why is it happening and I'm not able to meditate. I will also give you a tip that how you can go around and work around because of this what you are experiencing. But let me affirm to you that when you are meditating, your mind will wander, because this is the nature of the mind. So there are two natures of the mind. First is that the mind wanders. So the first nature of the mind is that it will wander. It will wander to the past, future, or any event situation. And the second nature of the mind is what you resist, it persists. So suppose if you're trying to control anything, like in your day-to-day life, you might have tried to control your mind but have failed, right? Or let me give you a very classic example. Like if I ask you not to think of a pink elephant, the first thing that is going to happen is the mind will have imagined already a pink elephant, right? So what you resist persists. Similar experience will happen in the meditation. And why we are doing meditation is because we want peace, inner peace and joy, and because we have so many thoughts which are not pleasing and uncomfortable, and that's why we started this meditation practice. So understand that as you start, this thing will start showing up in meditation as well. And how you can come around is that all you need to do is bring the mind back to the guided meditation. So a good tip is to always start from the guided meditation, and always bring the mind back to the guided meditation, to where it is asking you to draw your attention. So if you have been doing body scan meditations, you might be thinking about one of the body parts, paying attention to it, and suddenly you will notice, oh my god, my mind is not in the meditation, but I was thinking of something. No problem, just bring it back. As you bring a puppy back to a room or to your lap, just like that, with love, with care, compassion, bring your mind back to the present moment. Bring your mind back to the guided meditation, to wherever it is asking you to draw attention. So by doing this, what you would have achieved is you will have started to tame your mind to where you want it to come. So it's not like controlling the mind and closing your eyes and thinking, oh my god, I don't want any thoughts, don't think. The more you say don't think, the more the mind will think. It is redirecting your mind. So understand, it's not about controlling your mind, it is about redirecting your mind where you want the focus to be. And once you establish yourself in this practice, let's say in 7 days, a lot can happen. Even if you're meditating 5 minutes daily, for 5 minutes in a row, 7 days, you will see profound differences. Like in your day-to-day life, if you want to not think something, and if you just ask your mind and focus on something, your mind will start slowly listening to you. So now you are the master, and your mind will be listening to you. Now let's move to the second step. The second step is that you will feel certain sensations in your body, because the awareness would have increased. So while you are meditating, first day nothing will happen, second day nothing will happen. All the challenge you will have is a wandering mind. But slowly, as you go into your practice deeper and deeper, your awareness of your body will have increased, and you will notice that there is some tightness in your chest, or some tingling sensation, or some pulsating, or some twitching, and that's pretty normal. It's pretty normal, because now your body is settling down, your mind is settling down, everything is becoming calmer and calmer, and it's like the stress is getting released from various parts of your body wherever the emotions are stored. I've also made a video, meditation video. I will link it in the description somewhere. So you can also do that while you have practiced for 7 days, and you can start releasing some of the emotions that are stored in your body. So I want to tell you that this thing that you feel, physical sensations in your body, the reason behind it is that your body is relaxing, and everything that you have stored for so many years and have been suppressing it, that will release. And how to come around it is to allow it to happen. I will be covering the second point more in detail, that how you can ease out this experience of meditation. So what I recommend you is to allow and be there completely with whatever is happening, and not deny or resist or suppress, because that's what we are trained to do. Do not cry, do not show your feelings and all these things. It's not good to be vulnerable. So when you are sitting in a meditation in a peaceful corner, tell yourself it's really safe and that it's okay, and you are there, and allow any sensations to come up on the surface so that they can release and get out of your system and of your body. So these are the two basic experiences when you start meditating, and I will be covering many more. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and share it with anybody who can benefit from it, and do ask more questions if you are meditating and want more clarifications. Happy to answer you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.